So friends, kakatapos ko lang sa aking shift dito sa Ayala Techno Hub at papunta na ako sa airport para punta sa Bohol. Sabay kami ng buong cast ng Spit and I'm so excited. Wait, may pupi doon. Ayun oh. Oh no, buti hindi ko na lang natapakan. Papunta ako ng airport. Ihahatid ako ng TL ko. Ito yung TL ko. True Love.
We love you, baby. His butt.
According to
on
him,
the way to
the
the
inhabitants
airport.
of Agartha were
Thank you
driven
so much
underground
for
by
bringing
several
me
cataclysmic
5 stars.
events and conflict.
I didn't do anything this morning. I just finished packing
Our alternative
and I look very efficient.
Keep right.
This is my travel efficient body bag, and then my backpack, my unbeatable
was a
backpack.
technologically
Shout out
advanced nation
Michelle.
with extreme
And then
amounts
my
of treasure that either predated
matching
or ran
maleta.
alongside
Spit.
the first ancient
Spit
Egyptian pharaonic
got the
dynasties.
same luggage.
Even though
Well, not
all
everybody,
traces
almost
of it
everybody.
have vanished.
Yeah,
To
very
this
excited.
day,
We're headed to
it's believed that
Bohol.
the remains of
But yeah, I'm excited because
At the
Spit
beginning of the 20th century,
likes going on
the
vacation
existence
together.
and
We brought
location
board
of the city
games
of
and
Sumer
cards and
was
things like
taken
that. So
very seriously in
it's gonna be
Western
fun.
Africa, with
See
high
ya!
profile
Morning. Hello.
Hello.
Where are we going?
Airport.
Airport.
We're going to the airport! Yes!
Napali pa rin.
Another day at the airport.
Yeah. Where terminal meets. Where terminal.
Ano?
Where a terminal meets another.
See you there at the airport.
Spit Manila! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Swimming ba tayo? Kayo? Magsi-swimming ba?
Parang aga ng call time eh, no? Aga ng call time na siya. Pero beachfront yun.
Beachfront.
Ah, so pwede mag-nilay-nilay.
Nilay. Di ba yan yung subdivision sa Quezon City? Hindi. Nila yun.
Uy, alam niyo ba yung yung history ng Miranila? Miranila.
Alam ko basta may birds yan.
Hindi. Mira means window.
Window of their window.
Miranila.
Window nila.
Window overlooking Manila.
Walking is life. Cold water, cold water, cold water, cold water, cold water, cold
like
water,
nothing.
cold water, cold water, cold water, cold water, cold water, cold water.
Ang sarap talaga nito sa tooth.
For 50,000, I will say it.
Oh my God. Ang sarap nito. Tooth.
You will unblur the logo if you pay it.
Postage.
IT Spy Manila. SCIT Spy Manila. SCIT Spy Manila. SCIT Spy Manila.
Welcome to Bohol.
And Bohol welcomes us.
Welcome.
Show your prize.
I'm a winner. Thing is about it's Bahas. Here.
Dapat color, tapos kung pang-ilan. Pang-ilan. Kasi blue in 3. Oh, wow.
Combination ng magkatabi.
Black in
No one is the winner.
Red in 4. Red in 4.
Sige. 1.
2,
Ako black.
3, 4.
Blue in
Or combination ng magkatabi.
Pinera.
Ang sanghirap naman nun.
Combination ng magkatabi. Black and red. Black and red.
Oy, okay, black yan.
Black and red.
Uy, wag mo ipopost to. This is off the books. Off the record. Get the camera.
Isi-censor ka na lang buong conversation.
Ano, ang ganda talaga sa toot. Oh, yung propaganda yung toot.
We are checking into our room here in Henan Resort, and so far it's looking really fancy. Very nice. There's Spit right there. Right there. Everybody is getting the room number.
Meron ako. Tuturuan ko kayo ng isang matinding affirmation. I am worthy of abundance. I open the door. Money loves me and it comes more and more. I attract prosperity. It's my reality. Money what? Money what? Money what? Money what? Wants me endlessly. Boom. Mayaman na tayo.
Guess what we're doing first thing in the morning? You see that swimming pool over there? And look. People are there at this time of night, so I guess. Yeah, yes, after the gym.
Cheers to the true influencer of Chaco Labs, Mr. Carl Echaluce. We all match. Me, Missy, and Carl. Where there's Chaco Love.
Paano magiging 1 liter yan? Paano pwede ba natin i-testing?
Yun.
1 liter.
Baka included yung handle.
Test natin.
Hindi ko hanggang dito. Na-intriga ako eh. Ang galing eh.
Parang hanggang dito.
Ha?
Hanggang dito.
Hanggang dito pa nga eh. Ano ko nagtsura niya? Parang siyang Lego. Sige po po. Yung ulo ng mga tao. Yung kamay ng Lego. Yeah.
This is 1 liter.
Feeling ko hindi.
Feeling ko. Bumili ka na nga eh. Defend mo naman, Missy.
Bumili lang ako kasi it's cute. Number 2 reason. Number 1 reason, because Carl has it and Aaron was gonna get it. Aaron has a theory about Scorpios.
Yeah, because Missy had something done to her teeth. So I asked Thea. Apparently si Thea din may gagawin with her teeth. And David, who is my boyfriend, has something with his teeth. And all 3 of them are Scorpios. So I feel like maybe their rising is in the 2nd house of the planetary alignment in accordance with the coordinates 121, 87, 44.
14.8 degrees.
Exactly.
According to IG astrologers, and we all know that they are the most credible and super. This Scorpio full moon is intended to set,
This is true though.
to set the truth free. This is true. Okay, and as we know, the truth will set you free. And I just had a wisdom tooth extraction. What I did was, I set the tooth.
The truth did not set you free.
You set the truth free. Scorpio, season of the full moon. Full moon and Scorpio. Truly.
Magpamunot na kayo. Scorpio kayo. Tanggalin na yan.
Rising.
Follow the @orthodontist astrologer for more.
Farmer. Farmer. AKA the Tooth Fairy in the Stars.
Ay, kita na ice. Grabe yung tubig kanina sa Naiya. Yung tubig sa Naiya kanina. Nag-refill kami ng water basket. Alam mo kung ano yung temperature ng water? 35 degrees.
May lagnat.
It's like a fever.
May lagnat yung tubig.
Nag-refill kayo? Nag-refill kayo? Kaya ngayon, punong-puno siya kasi walang umiinom. So, unang-una kami ngayon.
Wow, look at that! The mango!
Videoan yung mga nagbi-video.
Ako, busy-busy po sila nagtatrabaho for the sweet love.
It's a shaved ice.
What is happening?
Mukha po siyang buhok.
Because we want you to join us in the experience. This guy focusing on getting that shot. He shoot, he scores.
O, bigyan niyo ng solo kutsara si
In
Ding
her
Dong.
first bite. Oh, Didi. Didi taking the first. Why, Rosemary? It's very interesting. It's not like ice cream, it's like powder. What's the verdict this year? Very good. Very good.
Yes.
It's not too sweet. Not too sweet. The texture is interesting. Interesting. There's it's textured.
It's like I don't know. Is this powder or something?
It's mystic.
It's a mystery.
It's mystery. It's a mystery.
Sarap ng watermelon, lasang watermelon.
Ito pa rin din. This is number 1.
Ito rin naman eh. Yung mga lasang mangga.
Sorry, Coach Camille.
Matches.
Ay, meron din.
Matches so good.
Good morning. We are having breakfast. It is, I don't know. It is 7:51. 7:51 a.m. Show day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How was breakfast?
Breakfast was fantastic. I was alone. Decision ko naman. Best.
That's why I got some more If I were young.
Shout out to Sophia of Cat's Eye.
Yes, Sophia.
I took that in Takis on the shit. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Where's your bag? Did you bring it? Where is it? In the room?
Just a moment.
And I got mistake would be me. I see people shaving their eyebrows to look at me.
Lara did it.
Yun din.
Alam niyo ba yung urban legend na yun sa, ako narinig ko to sa elevator, kinuwento lang ng kaibigan kong buckler sa elevator daw. Tinanong daw ng isang parang staff, yung isa pang staff sa elevator, Mari, nalilito ako, ano ba tama? Confirm o confirm? So sabi daw nung tinanungan, pagka-confirm, sure lang. Pagka-confirm, sure na sure. Ganon din yung accept. Tsaka
Accept.
Pag-accept, tanggap lang. Pag-accept, tanggap na tanggap. Oo. Final na, definite na.
Accept niya na tayo.
Oo, accept na niya tayo.
Paan niya?
Oo nga.
I hope so, but I didn't do. Is in the other car.
My kilikili is wet because I walked from the van right outside the tent to the tent. What is a wet kilikili?
We are at the venue, and when it's not us performing, it's sort of like a circus. So these are the costumes in the dressing room. Look at this.
You're going to be part of a circus.
What? What do you think of this circus dressing room? Ah, tama yan, Carl. Aircon. Correct. Correct.
It's 27 degrees inside.
That's not the best. It's not the best.
Okay, what you do, you spray alcohol on yourself and then you make bye-bye. Instant aircon.
Yung sabi ni Angelica,
dahil hindi sulit bumili ng steam dito, ayaw mo nang mahiramin sa akin ng anak ko yung kanyang switch light. And ang switch na hindi light, parang over yun sa aking usage. I will buy my own switch light. Are you proud of me, Kobe? Yeah.
Welcome everybody to our make-upan. Wala po kaming salamin. So ito na yung salamin namin.
Gusto mo ng primer?
Wala akong alam.
Hindi, kailangan, yung mga boys, kailangan ng primer.
Ako wala ako.
Ako kasi, because I'm 47, I need a primer or else it's all gonna be light lines.
Ayun yung parang masilya.
Oo. Pero kasi literally primer siya. Like, kung na sa paint.
Oo, para maganda yung kapit.
Yes.
Okay na to.
I'm happy.
Okay, I'll say hello.
Live ba ito?
For vlog yan.
And I have my oh, you gagamitin ko! I just said stuff.
Kumusta? Ipapasa naman sa atin yung bagos.
It exists.
nandun pa rin siya.
Unfortunately.
Copy!
Please welcome to the stage, Spit Manila!
Yes. Tonight, we are going to have pre-ordered food. Bahala na tayo kung sino ang kakain ng ano. Please remember, if you have a non-chicken food, please give it to Ding Dong. Thank you. Next, after the pre-ordered food, the non-chicken goes to Ding Dong, we're going to go to the circus.
Wow.
Please note that this afternoon, theater people from Bohol came to see our show. Wow. And they invited us to watch their show. Unfortunately, we will be back in Manila. Ding Dong, tell us about Lubok Children's Choir.
They're a choir.
Lubok Children's Choir are children from Lubok. They sing together. Lubok is a river?
Yes.
Lubok, kaya pala L, Lubok.
Packing for checkout. What do we have here? Oh, it has our names. Perfection. Hey.
Thank you, Bohol.
Thank you, Bohol. It has been an amazing trip thus far. Mamayang gabi pa kami, so yeah, we'll be hanging out.
Ito yata ang nagbigay. Etched Creatives.
Thank you very much. Good morning to this table. Yes.
We have just interviewed our documenters, social media content creators about, you can always take this out, right? Their 9-year romance.
Excuse me, it started at Spit. I know that for a fact.
Wait, di ba bawal yung workplace relationship?
Gutom na kami. So, napunta na kami ng lunch. Yeah, it was a good day. Nag-chill lang this morning. And well-deserved rest day. And we're looking forward to bringing the group to other places in the country.
Yes, tapos pupunta tayo mamaya sa
Nandito ako sa Amorsolo Creek, Makati City. Just got my groceries for the week. Well, not really week. Actually, mga next 2 days. And I'm walking back home. Usually, in this path, meron akong nakikitang mga turkey. Let's see if we'll find any today. Parang wala. Sorry! Eh, kayo, anong ginagawa niyo dyan?
Hello.
Hello.
We're checking out and we're checking in for a day trip to the other hotel. Enjoy the beach. Bikini. Summer. The children, the Scorpio children want to play here.
In the sand. Paglang katapan.
Alright, I'm on my way to the beach and I'm about to meet up with Ding Dong. Brought my beach towel. Yeah, I'm really excited to get to the beach. That's why we're here. Alona Beach. Found it. Yes! We are at the beach. I'm with Ariel, Ding Dong, and Missy and Thea. And you have to see what they're doing. They are taking photos of their babies at the beach. Ha? Oo, pareho sila. Grabe. Agawan sa exposure.
Okay lang. Solid yung exposure ni Groove.
Yes, yes, yes. Totoo. So it started raining very hard. It's raining. It's raining. Maliligo sila sa ulan. Kaka-beach lang namin.
Well, look at that.
Look at that. We are on our way back to our room. There's Ding Dong there. Hello. Walking back. It's a nice warm day. So the water was nice. Napadpad kami dito sa isang arm wrestling competition.
This is a right arm match.
A right arm match. Wow.
Okay, dramatic. Okay. Okay.
Welcome to South Farm.
Where the farm is south and not north.
Not east, not west.
South.
Alam mo,
Sinong bora mo?
South Park ako ng South Park. Dahil sa South
pwede
Park,
sa mga bata.
lahat ng tao nagmura. Yun pala is South Farm, not Park.
Picturean niyo na yung mapa.
Mom, is this the real Farm Emmy? Farm Emmy?
Oh, Farm
From Emmy.
This is Farm Emmy.
Emmy.
Here, get it.
Live action.
Live action dapat.
Po ito.
Bukid rice po.
Ito ang food namin for today. Sariwa lahat.
Laki ng pomelo.
Hindi kasi siya pomelo. Miracle fruit kasi siya eh.
Ah.
Parang buko. Paano kaya laman nito?
Ito nga, hinahanap yung laman. Gusto ko makita rin yun.
Oo nga eh.
Akala ko buko.
Oo nga eh.
Ang baba. It's so big. Totoo ba to?
This naka-wax display po. Charot.
Diyan ka lang ah. Babalik. Oo. Tubig.
Ay, okay.
Parang buko.
Oo, mukhang buko.
Papanood ko sa mga fail video palagi to eh.
Ano, American's Home Videos.
No hands.
No hands. Oo.
paying for my bills while I'm enjoying this truck wheel. Did you know?
Wala kang control eh. Ikaw actually yung main character. Yeah. Eh, nakuha na ni Kobe.
No hands.
Look, ma.
Wow!
Oh, show farm fantasy.
Oh.
Ako, meron din eh.
Saan? Ito.
Pinatapos na ako. Mga Kobe oh. Pasa nila yan.
Gusto ko yung may XB rin. Bukid mapagmahal. XB.
Alam nyo ba? Pag sabay-sabay na napuno yung swing, may lalabas.
Ano yan?
Basically, parang gratitude. It's a gratitude wood. I said, thank you for always choosing me. And also, Kara, you got this. Ganda. And ganito. And alam ko na. Kaya mo to. Happy. And then the year is
2025.
2025.
Yes.
I'm gonna be right here, just writing down her gratitude. Leaves. Anong sinulat mo?
We got this far, Spit.
Woo! Yes, we did!
Ay, naman.
Diba? Pati ni Snoop, supposedly kaya niya.
Saan ba to? Sa katawan? O sa...
Teka, mag-dismount.
Pareho.
Farm adventure.
Supposedly pati ni Snoop.
Kasi nung nag-enhido kami, grabe ni Nikki. I have this. I use this in my house and then I know that galing siyang Bohol. Pero hindi dito sa Tagbilaran. Not Panglao. Panglao! Kasya kaya to sa hand carry? Ito. Kasya kaya to sa hand carry?
Oh.
Is that a butter sweet? Ay, pati ni tayo. Meron sa scout there.
Sa ano ba yan? Tahanan? Tahanan potting.
Tahanan, oo. Alam ko pwede kayo group eh.
Hindi na maganda yung...
Nagdadasal? Hindi. Meron daw pag tas bilog. No? Ano yan? Kunyari ba candid o... Kunyari candid yung kinukuhanan mo Kobe o ano? So smile kami dyan.
Depende sa inyo.
Ay.
So, ano to?
Malunggay.
Malunggay ice cream.
Yes.
From Bohol. So, ito ay reaction video. Bahala na kung mababash ako pagkatapos. Cancelled na naman. Wait. Wait a minute. Lasa siyang prutas sa akin. It's not my imagination.
Okay, close up.
Wow. I feel like I have a sickness. Ano naman?
Bohol was a really fun experience. My favorite was watching the circus, especially the hamster wheel intro, where two men were going around this huge machine and the guy starts like jumping on the wheel, and he was blindfolded also, and yeah, it scared me so much. I had so much fun, so yeah.
Can I get a shout out from Bohol? Do you have any advice?
For Bohol!
Just keep being awesome. Thank you, Bohol. Salamat po. Thank you sa inyong kasama. Wala akong nauwing kalamay.
Hey Bohol, you've been very kind and to us and very heartwarming embrace. And sometimes the rain is a gentle touch to the skin. The beach is the best. I hope you are too.
Magpapakilala muna kami. Good afternoon! Ako po si Aaron. Ako po si Dingo. Steve Manila.
Ako po si Bibay. Ako po si Cara. Ako si Monica. Ako po si Thea.
Ako po si Carl.
Ako po si Ariel. Ako po si Angelica. Ako po si Missy.
Hello everybody, ako si Papu. Ako po si Chester at kami po ang
You know, Papu and Ned, they've come a long way. Bata pa si Papu, magkakilala na sila.